As a chef and a content creator, I need a camera that can see and interpret my point of view. My goal is to make videos that you could visually smell and taste the food that I prepare. It's very important that viewers feel they are right in front of the food. That is where the Fujifilm X-S10 is very capable of. One of my favorite features on the X-S10 is the flip and touch screen. Different angles are very important if you want to make interesting content. You can easily frame your shots and check your focus without any problem. Fujifilm cameras are known for its great colors and film simulation presets straight out of the camera. With this said, there's no need for extra hours color grading and I could finish editing faster. And there's more time to create content. Shooting food requires detailed shots, so a camera with a high frame rate is an essential. You want to emphasize on the little things our eyes cannot see in real time. The 240 FPS feature is a great help for me. I am a huge fan of handheld shots. The in-body image stabilization plus a perfectly designed grip really suits my style of shooting B-rolls. This allows me to do creative movements without using a slider or a gimbal. Overall, the Fujifilm X-S10 is a great camera for beginners that can also be used professionally. It's a good investment if you want to start in photography, videography, advertising industry, or simply just a hobby. This is Oli Astacio of A Chef's Camera. Thank you for watching.